Merry Christmas, this is Soma Banerjee. Welcome to Amader Bangali Rannaghar channel. So, today I will be making Christmas cake with you. Christmas is nothing without a Christmas cake. So let me get started with Christmas cake. The best part of my Christmas cake is I have not used any gadget while baking the cake. So my cake is without a beater, without an oven or OTG or microwave. I've simply prepared it on a gas stove so that everybody can bake a cake, and the measurement is also unique, which I'll be sharing while baking. So please welcome to my kitchen. For the Christmas cake, in orange juice I have soaked cherries, tutti frutti, candied gooseberry, candied ginger and candied papaya and apricots for 8 to 10 hours, and I have kept it in a glass bowl in an airtight container. Now in a mixing bowl I have taken 100 grams of butter and 100 grams of brown sugar, and I'll be mixing both. In another bowl I have taken all-purpose flour 1 cup, half cup of chocolate powder, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, and half teaspoon of dried ginger powder. And also I have taken some nutmeg powder, which I'll be adding together. My mixture is ready now. Now at this point, when it is almost dry, I'll be adding a cup of curd, the beaten curd, and I will again mix it well. At this point, I just need to fold and cut. The whole purpose is to make the mixture airy. At this point, when my mixture is almost done, I will add a few drops of vanilla essence. And I'll mix it again. Now I'll take the soaked fruits and I'll add it to the mixture. I'll cut and fold. I have added the soaked fruits. I'll simply cut and fold the mixture. And simply mix it. That's all I'll do. Now that my mixture is ready, I'll just put a pinch of salt and I'll mix it for the final time. I have poured the mixture into a tin, and the cake tin, you can see it's actually aligned and greased well with the parchment paper. I have the benefit of using an OTG or a microwave, but for many viewers who do not use microwave or OTG, I'll be preparing this cake on my gas stove. So for gas stove, let's see. I have taken a wide-mouthed kadhai or a wok, and I have put some salt into it, and I've put a stand. Now I'll be preheating it, and you believe me, the cake that is baked in this kind of an arrangement is nowhere less than the one baked in an oven. I've put the cake tin into it, and now I'll simply cover it. The cake is baked. Now I'll put a toothpick and see it's coming out absolutely clean. So my cake is baked. I'll put it on a cooling mat. The rich plum cake, which is absolutely eggless, is ready before the Christmas. I hope you enjoyed my recipe, and you've seen I have used no gadget in making the cake. So anybody can make the cake. So wish you a Merry Christmas, happy baking.